Finishing up the job placement report. So this is already partially complete. Hit Control tilde. You can see that several of the formulas are entered, but several are not as well. So first thing I'll do, notice we've got economics selected here in B2, and some things aren't updating, so let's go ahead and fix this. This should say economics, so I can delete that, and concatenation work here. I'll just change that to economics. Or excuse me, to B2. All right, now let's get more to the more difficult. Let's change that back to accounting. I'll go ahead and get rid of this up here as well. A little cleanup. Okay, so we've got formulas here for those items. Now we're percentage response at first destination for this particular academic year. And I want to build a formula here that I can copy over to the right. So basically going to be calculating counting the number of respondents, also the number of respondents at first destination, and dividing those two items. So have a count if I know it's table 1. I'll first do the academic year. Hitting tab there, accept that, and we'll just refer to the cell F9, leave it relative, so as I copy, it'll copy over. And this is for a particular major, in this case accounting, so we've got table 1, and we'll eventually change this into an indirect, but for right now I'll just put in accounting. Value of 1, and do we have a response from them? And then finally, are they at the final destination? Or first destination. Okay, so I still have some work to do here, but I'm going to go ahead and enter and see if that works all right. And it's a very large number because we've not yet divided. It was already formatted as a percentage. So basically, we're going to divide by the number of respondents. So what I will do actually is copy. I'm going to go up to the formula bar and copy that formula. Makes things a little easier. Hit escape and then divide by the same. I'm just going to paste it, Control V to paste, and then we'll edit it. So we want to back out the first destination, so we're wanting to divide by the total number of respondents regardless of if they're at the first destination or not. So just go into that formula and we'll get rid of the last part. Okay. And again, these numbers differ here. This 90% was from the original report, but either errors on some of the data manipulation I did preparing the data, or it's been updated since they did the initial report or the last report. Right, so we get rid of those. Okay, and we should be able to copy that over. Now, recall with table references, if I try to do the following, I'm going to end up with some odd things. So notice here, if I just try to drag it over, it actually changes things in an unexpected way. All right, compared to what we have over here. So that first item was academic year. When we copied it, then went to accounting. So what we need to do instead is Control-C to copy, go over and highlight, and we're going to then paste. Okay. And it's not a bad idea to check. So now we see the academic year cross there. Do some comparison just to be sure there, but those numbers are correct, or those formulas are correct. All right.